Konnichiwa learners! Welcome back to NihonGo Quiz, your fun and easy way to master Japanese kanji. Today, we have 10 new kanji from JLPT N5 level. Can you guess the correct meanings? Each question has 4 choices, and you'll have 5 seconds to pick the right answer. Keep track of your score and challenge yourself to get all 10 correct. Ready? Let's begin! What does this word mean? Time's up! The correct answer is name. You'll see this kanji when filling out forms where your name is necessary. Namae is name. What does this word mean? Time's up! The correct answer is school. This can be seen in the word kocho, meaning principal. What does this word mean? Time's up! The correct answer is year. Toshi or nin. It can be seen in words like rainin, meaning next year. What does this word mean? Time's up! The correct answer is write. Kaku means to write. This kanji can also be seen in Toshoken, meaning library. What does this word mean? Time's up! The correct answer is mother. Haha means mother. This kanji can also be seen in Okasan, also meaning mother. Halfway there. What is this next word? Time's up! The correct answer is morning. Asa means morning. It can be seen in words like asagohan, meaning breakfast. What does this word mean? Time's up! The correct answer is language. It can be seen in words like NihonGo or Japanese and Eigo or English. What does this word mean? Time's up! The correct answer is sell. Uro means to sell. What does this word mean? Time's up! The correct answer is rain. Ame means rain. It is part of the word o-ame, meaning heavy rain. Last one. Hope you get this right. Time's up! The correct answer is sound. Oto or on means sound. It is also part of the kanji for ongaku, meaning music. That's the end of our kanji quiz for this week. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next challenge. Are you ready for more challenges? Click here to take our next quiz.